COVID-19 has wreaked havoc among our people, especially the economy. You know, our economy mostly is SMEs, small, medium enterprises. And with the lockdown, that has caused a lot of problems. But I must say, as a country, with the help of our best friends like China and many others, we have managed to contain this virus. The coronavirus is not an easy one. We have been learning from those who had that problem before us, and in this case, China, and we are very grateful to the People's Republic of China. They actually did send their doctors to Zimbabwe for us to learn from them how they had managed containing that disease in China. We have also seen a lot of support in terms of what we require to contain the disease. I'm talking about all kinds of help, and we've seen the People's Republic of China through the embassy here donating almost on a weekly basis